How to draw Goku. First, draw a 4 centimeters vertical line. And then intersect the line with a horizontal line at 1.5 centimeters. Now connect the points like I did.
Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding.
For the eyes, make a half oval shape exactly like me. Now just draw a circle for the mouth and make the upper part more darker and thick.
All we want is loving, searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this talking.
It's a strange world we live in. All we want is loving, searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this talking.
Let's add some details for nose and some shapes. Now for the hair, start from the exact point I did. Just sketch and connect the points for the hair and don't give up yet. And now the ear.
Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is
Continue the hair details.
searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax.
Now the second ear.
Love is blinding.
And draw eyebrows as I did at same portion. Some details for the ear. Now this is important. Just draw to line form the same point I did and interstate it with a curved line at 2 centimeters and just keep drawing hairs from there like me.
Stick to the trail. No, don't go off the path.
This one's a bit longer, so take your time. These are the key elements that define a character and bring them to life.
Lost and we're not going back. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding.
It's a strange world we live in. All we want is loving.
Alright, now let's move on to the area below the head. Just keep adding the details like I am, the color of the shirt and the arms. And the rope that goes around his shoulder and across his body. Lastly, let's complete the drawing with the power pole. Now just erase the guidelines and add your final touches to bring it all together. Your sketch is ready. Let me know how it turned out in the comments. Thanks for watching.